Uh-oh. Wet. Had a storm move through early this morning. We're not even sure we're going to be racing today. Yeah, it looks nice now, but storms are coming later on today. Carl said he will post something at 7:30 to let us know if the race is still on or not. They're supposed to get storms up there earlier than we are. So, guess we'll find out here in about 30 minutes. But until then, gotta get ready. That does not look good. Little blue dots where we're at, but we're going. You see that?
Yeah.
Don't look good, does it? That's at Future Cast at 820. Don't know. Well, guys, read that or not, but races are canceled. Yes, I know it is sunny out here. I get it. It's a 2.5 hour drive for us, or 2 hours 15-minute drive for us anyway to get up there. Just storms. They're moving in later on today. Up there it's earlier since they're a lot further north than we are. So it's a difficult decision, but yeah, he had to cancel it. I mean, with today's fuel prices and diesel prices and all that stuff, man, that's a long way to go for some people and only get a round or two in, if that, and turn around and come back home. So I truly feel if he doesn't feel like he can get a full race in, that definitely he's not going to run it. And I don't blame him one bit. I think it's a great call. Other years, who knows? He might have took a chance and say, hey, let's get as much of the race in, let's go for it. But the way things are today, yeah, I think it's a good call. Plus, I think the forecast is very favorable for a lot of rain up there. I mean, in the past, who knows? It could have just gone around us. I've been up there many times where storms actually split around us. So, but anyway, it is what it is. So, no racing this weekend. We do have a race coming up here in a couple weeks. It's our Memorial Day race up there in Mokan. I was just going to run one class up there, but I might think about reconsider and run 2 classes. I just take the funds I was going to run in this race, the entries, and I'll put it into the next race. I don't know. Or I might just run one class and just enjoy myself for the weekend. Who knows? Anyway, I'll make the decision when we get up there. But that is what it is. So, man, wanted to race. Pops, he wanted to race really bad. But, oh well. Look at all this mess. It's all muddy. Rainy. We have rain for the past 4 or 5 days now, and we're heading to a race tomorrow. It's gonna be fun. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Like the open video, yeah, it was rained out the last bracket race, so we have not raced for the past 2 weeks now. So but guess what, we're gonna make up for it this coming weekend. That's right, we got 2 days of racing coming up. This is the Memorial bracket race in Mokan. That's right, 2 days of racing. They're gonna have jet cars out there, nitro cars, you name it, they're gonna have it out there, plus the bracket classes. So definitely I'm looking forward to it, because I'm gonna be running No E and Super Pro both days. Yep, I'm gonna be running 2 classes for each day. Anyway, looking forward to do that. So right now, I need to get things ready to head up there, because we're leaving tomorrow afternoon and going to be up there Friday night, Saturday night, and all day Sunday. Be back here Sunday night. And with us, you know, with me being off on Memorial Day, we're going to have a nice little pool party. So anyway, but right now, I need to get things ready. I need to get some diesel for the truck. I need to make sure the car's ready, the trailer is packed. We need to stock the refrigerator, the beds, you name it. We got to get things ready for our 2 days of or 2 nights of sleeping up there. So anyway, Pops will be with us. So yeah, looking forward to that. Last race, man, that was kind of tough, but we did manage to get by okay. It just make things a little bit easier when he's around. So with that, let's go ahead and get started and get the trailer ready and get things there, everything loaded in the back of the truck. So all we have to do is hitch up and go tomorrow afternoon. So anyway, let's get started. Okay, got gas in the truck. Yeah, $126 worth. It's only 25 gallons. So yeah, I pretty much had almost a full tank in the main tank. Then I topped off my reserve tank. The reserve tank has almost 40 gallons in it. So, so I'll top that off as well. So usually that'll get us by a couple weekends of going and, you know, going up there and coming back anyway. So basically I have around 65 gallons on board with me right now. So anyway, okay, let's head on home and get the trailer worked on. Weather's getting better. Woo, blue skies. Sun. Okay. Get this key here. Okay, got water loaded. Time to put it back in the shop and continue getting ready. So what's your thoughts?
Thoughts?
Yeah.
Have a good weekend.
Huh. Is that all?
I'm gonna win.
Okay. There we go. You heard it from the old man. Oh, did I tell you? I'm running 2 classes this weekend.
Gonna wear me out.
For 2 days.
Gonna wear me out. I'm glad I'll have a bed to lay down and take a nap.
Yeah. He'll be doing that between rounds, and I will videotape him doing that too. Let's check out what's in the fridge. Ooh. Potato salad. So we got some eggs, jelly. Yes. Yeah, he's getting things stocked up pretty good. Getting all this. There's a girl back there. So we're going to cook a lot of stuff on, even breakfast. Okay, this is how we pack things up. Got 2 foam mattresses. These are beds. These will actually go over behind the fender well. They'll attach with those hinges there. Okay. Refrigerator. What we'll do before we pull out of here, we have another cord here, and this is tied to our inverter, so it converts it to 110 so we can run the refrigerator going down the road. And with the solar panel up on the roof, supplies panel to our batteries all the time. So this way we keep our food good and cold going down the road. When we get there, we're good. Don't have to worry about a lot of ice carrying that way. So that was a good thing that we invested that last year, a couple years ago, I think we did that. So anyway, next, golf cart. First, get the tractor out of the way. Oh, it don't crash. Ooh. Ooh. Look good?
Good over here.
There we go. Ooh. Back up just a little bit. Okay, that's how we do it. What did they say, that 10 pounds of crap in a 5-pound bag of what? How does that go?
No, it's 5 pounds of crap. Yeah, 10 pounds of crap in a 5-pound bag.
Yep. That's about how we pack this. But it all fits.
It did the last time, should this time.
Yep, nothing grew. Okay, we'll see you in the morning. We have to swap out the electric in the morning when we pull out. It's on time. We'll open these doors tomorrow. So anyway. Okay, only thing we got to do yet is get our gas jugs back here for the generator. The rest of the cans all loaded up, ready to go. And then here we got the trailer's pretty much all ready to go. Turn that light on. So it's all ready to go. So the only thing we got to do next is get out of here and get to the track. Anyway, like I said, it's 2 days of racing up in Mokan. We're gonna be leaving here tomorrow as soon as we can to head up there. Hopefully get out of here noon at the latest. If we can get out here earlier, the better, you know, to get a decent spot and all that stuff. So with that, expect to see those videos coming out in the next few weeks. Gonna be 2 days of racing. Maybe I can do it one video, may have to do it in two. I'm not sure yet. Depending how much footage I'm gonna take and all that stuff. So I'm excited about that. Definitely you'll see the good camera shots, the 360 camera, and also the in-car camera as well. I think that worked out the last video. So hopefully you did like those in-car camera shots like I did, even on the 360 camera. So hopefully all that will work without issues. So with that, please subscribe to my channel. I really do appreciate it. We're growing, but I need subscribers. Go and hit the like button, share the video. Anything you have to do, just say, hey, you love bracket racing, share this, watch this, and you know, and share somebody else. Anyway, with that, thank you, and until we get up to Mokan.